Hello.
Hey honey, how's it going?
I'm good. Today has been a long day.
So are you excited about tonight?
What's tonight? I got a pickup in Pennsylvania.
Tonight? Bob, you know it's our anniversary.
Our what? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot.
You forgot?
I forgot. I'm so sorry. I promise I'm gonna make it up to you.
Okay, bye.
Don't hang up like that.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Johnny, hey, it's Marie, Bob's wife.
Oh, hey. How's it going, Marie?
Not great actually. Your number one driver forgot about his anniversary tonight.
Oh god, this isn't good.
You listen to me, Johnny. I'm gonna need you to do something about this if you want your number one driver to be available for your next couple of loads, okay?
Of course, Marie, I'll handle it.